Now, the high-octane poll campaigning for the Battle of Bengal is on despite coronavirus cases peaking in the state. BJP top guns will today boom in the state as part of their campaign trail for Phase 6. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be visiting the state today to address poll rallies in various parts of the state. He will also be leading several road shows during his visit today. Apart from Amit Shah, BJP chief JP Nadda will also be visiting the state. He will also be addressing multiple rallies and public meetings. Remember, Bengal will vote on 45 constituencies in Phase 5 on Saturday, for which campaigning ended on Wednesday. Now, as coronavirus cases surge across poll-bound state of West Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has now raised an alarm. Mamata has urged the Election Commission that voting in remaining phases of Bengal polls should be held in one go. She said that the move will protect people from further exposure to the COVID-19. Amid the alarming COVID situation, though, the poll panel has, however, refused to club remaining phases in the state. The panel will hold an all-party meeting today. The Election Commission has asked the parties to strictly adhere to COVID guidelines of the Election Commission of India. The poll panel meeting will take place 2 days after Kolkata High Court pulled up the panel for violation of COVID norms at political rallies. Let me cut across to Prema Rajaram joining us from Kolkata Live. Prema, here's a COVID-19 pandemic situation only becoming grim. Many more cases coming in from Kolkata. At a time like this, it doesn't seem like politicians want to stop their poll rallies and campaigns. We're looking at several leaders now descending in several parts of Kolkata to hold massive rallies. In fact, the Home Minister himself, Amit Shah and JP Nadda, both of them carrying out multiple rallies and roadshows today amid the pandemic. Do take us through what's the itinerary.
Despite the COVID-19 situation, the BJP top guns are here in West Bengal, as well as campaigns being held by the Trinamool Congress as well. And that is a concern because in many cases it has been seen, even after the Calcutta High Court order, that people are not wearing the masks, which include the candidates as well as star campaigners also in some cases. And that is exactly why the Calcutta High Court has said that the DMs should monitor the situation and also consider if there is there are restrictions that need to be imposed in the coming phases when campaigning takes place. The West Bengal CEO is also holding an all-party meeting later in the day to assess the situation and see what is the way forward. Like you were also mentioning, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has appealed for 3 phases of elections to be clubbed into one, but that is not happening as far as the Election Commission is concerned, and this at a time when the COVID-19 cases are rising not just in the country but in Bengal as well, where when elections began there was a surge in the COVID-19 cases seen, and that is also concern for the healthcare system and healthcare officials over here. Back to you, Nabila.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Prema, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.